Do squats every day and see what happens to your body. Squats are one of those exercises, if not the best one there is, that can best transform your body. The funny thing is, you probably perform several squats every day already. For instance, when you sit down and stand up, that's already a squat. And this is exactly what makes squats an extremely versatile and highly beneficial exercise. You can easily include it in your exercise routine. When performed regularly and consistently, coupled with the perfect form, squats will do amazing things to your body. To convince you to do squats every day, whether at home or the gym, hear us out as we go over the good things that come from performing squats. So don't go anywhere yet and continue watching. Number 1. Your body gets stronger for daily activities. Squats improve the strength and power in your glutes, hamstrings, and quads, which are major stabilizers when moving. The more you practice squatting or even squat-like everyday activities, the easier your movement becomes. Again, many actions originate from the movements of a squat, such as transferring boxes inside after a delivery. If you do squats every day, you're sure to establish a strong foundation. Number 2. Your legs get a complete workout. When you do a proper squat, it allows your leg muscles to gain more strength. As you bring your body down, you're mostly working the hamstrings. Meanwhile, when you stand up, the movement is targeting both the quadriceps and glutes. Suffice it to say, squats are a fast way to build lean muscles, resulting in tight, toned limbs. Number 3. It strengthens your core. Although squats primarily work on strengthening your legs, they also help stabilize your core. To keep your chest up, spine straight, and shoulders back and down, the muscles of your abs and back have to be engaged. And to keep the core engaged, you have to take a huge inhale when lowering down and exhale when standing up. A person who has a strong, solid core has a lesser risk of injury, so you might want to work on achieving this. Number 4. You can incorporate some cardio. If you're tired of the usual squat routine, you may want to switch up the tempo, or better yet, make it into a full-on cardio workout. Squat jumps are a great cardio exercise, where you hop up toward the ceiling, then lightly land back in your feet. Number 5. It gives your bones a boost. Daily strength training aids in increasing lean muscle mass, which helps build support for the bones. Your thigh bone, which is called the femur, is the largest in the body, and it also has the largest muscles, or what is referred to as glutes. With squats, you can boost the strength of this muscle. Number 6. It improves posture. Regardless if you're doing a weighted or bodyweight squats, you'll be working with your upper back, i.e. lower or upper trapezius and rhomboids, to help stabilize the body through the movement. As a result, it boosts the power of the muscles responsible for proper posture. Convinced now? Don't forget to share your thoughts below. You can also comment on your squat variations so others can take notes from you.